Starlink not working or showing offline? Here's how to fix it fast. If your Starlink connection suddenly stops working or shows offline, this guide will walk you through exactly how to get it back online quickly. Start by restarting your Starlink system. You can do this by unplugging the cable either from the dish, the power adapter, or simply turning off the power outlet. Wait a few seconds, then plug everything back in and allow the system to reboot. Once it's powered back up, open the Starlink app to see if it reconnects. Still not working? Go back into the Starlink app, navigate to Settings, tap on Router, and you'll see an option to reboot the router. Slide to reboot and wait a few moments. This applies whether you're using the original system or the newer version mounted on your wall or roof. A reboot often clears out any temporary glitch causing the issue. If that still doesn't solve the problem, it's time to check if there's a broader outage. Open your browser and search for "Is Starlink down right now?" Sites like Down Detector or community threads on Reddit will usually show live user reports. For example, if you notice that others are reporting issues around the same time, then it's likely a temporary outage from Starlink's end. In that case, you just need to wait. These issues are often fixed automatically without needing any action from you. But if there's no mention of an outage and you're still having trouble, try performing a complete system reboot, both the dish and the router. This deeper reset usually solves individual connection issues when everything else seems fine. If this walkthrough helped you fix the issue, consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick and easy tech support tutorials.